Previously, in Mahabharata, Uttara boasted that he would defeat the Kauravas and recover the stolen cattle. Brihannada smiled knowingly, promising divine garments if the prince triumphed. Together they rode forth beneath the blazing sun, the curtain rising on destiny. Uttarasan of Virata urged his charioteer onward. Drive, Brihannada, we shall crush the Kauravas and reclaim the royal herds. The wheels blazed through the plains, echoing thunder against the northern winds. At last, the horizon darkened. The Kaurava army loomed vast as the ocean at twilight, elephants like moving hills, chariots like rivers of fire. The air quaked with conch and drum, the heartbeat of war. Uttara's courage faltered. This is no army of men, it is a sea of death. I see Bhishma, Drona, Karna, Ashwathama, Vikarna, Somadatta, Bahlika, Duryodhana. All stand unshaken. My heart quails, my limbs fail me. Voice breaking, Uttara said, "Let us flee, Brihannada. My father fights the Trigarta. I am but a child before these lions. Take my gold, my gems, my elephants, let me live." Brihannada's eyes flashed. "O prince, your fear feeds their pride. You who bragged before maidens now shrink before warriors? Remember your oath to the court and princes. Stand and face destiny." His voice carried the thunder of forgotten might. When Uttara turned away in terror, Pardha seized him by the hair, laughing with fiery grace. "Where is your boast now, Prince of Matsya?" The air itself seemed to tremble. The warrior beneath the disguise had stirred. Then, softer than the storm, Arjuna said, "Hold the reins, child of Matsya. Let me bear the weight of battle. Guide the chariot and behold the fury of Pardha, son of Kunti." In the Kaurava camp, the winds wailed through banners. Weapons clanged within their sheaths, horses neighed in terror, and the sky turned copper. Drona narrowed his eyes, omens of the old thunder returned. Drona spoke gravely, "This is no mortal. I feel the stride of Pardha, Savyasachi, son of Kunti, he who pleased Mahadeva and bears Indra's grace. None else can shake heaven and earth alike." Karna smirked. "If it is indeed Arjuna, our glory will shine brighter. He shall fall by my arrows or flee into the forest once more." Duryodhana's laughter echoed, bold, blind, and doomed. Coming next, Uttara leads the chariot to the sacred Sami tree. Beneath its shade rest the Gandiva and the celestial weapons of Indra. The warrior of incognito will awaken. The hero of Kurukshetra returns.